This is SuperRey's Exotics, and you can reach us at www.superreys.com. Today we present to you the Samsung C3053. We're going to check out what's in the box. Well, this is the box, by the way. Simple box, simple phone, but cool phone. You know, does its job. We have your instruction manuals. We have your driver CD, have your battery, your hands-free earpiece, okay, and of course your charger, also the USB cable. And we're gonna, this is the phone right here. This is lamination, we don't want to take this off, as you can see. This is where your memory card would go. Right in there. This is your volume controls. And this is it's a slider phone. Simple but nice. Okay. And we're gonna open it up. This is the rear of it. We're gonna put the SIM card in and see what we got. Again, this is a very simple phone, so it should be pretty quick. Just want to show you what it looks like. Okay, we're going to select the language. In this one we have English, French, Netherlands, Dutch, Italian, Spanish, Turkish, Portuguese, Polish, and an automatic setting. Okay, so we're going to just go English. Welcome to the setup process. You want to continue? No. Can we run it again anytime? Okay. Quad band with edge. We got a T-Mobile SIM in it. And here we go. This is how it looks in the dark or low light. And let's see what we have inside. We have messages. Inbox, drafts, outbox, sent box, create message, music player, all tracks, playlists, recently played, most played, artists, genres, albums. Okay, so we have MP3. We have your call log here, phone book, music player, my files, messages, browser, internet capable, huh? Camera. Let's see what the camera looks like. Okay, this one. Ah, here we go. Okay, we have call log, phone book, music player, my files. Okay, we have videos, music, sounds, other files. Like I said, this is a basic phone, but it gets the job done. Samsung makes a good product. Messages, browser, internet capable, organizer. Let's see what's in there. Calendar, memo, task, world clock, calculator, converter. Okay, got the basics. Camera. That's what the camera looks like. Okay. Get out of here. Go back in. Oh, you have FM radio. That's pretty cool. Applications, games and more, voice recorder, Bluetooth capable, timer, stopwatch, Okay, so we have all that. Alarms. We have 5 alarms. And we have all your settings. Phone profiles. Okay, normal size. There you go. Just want to show you what it has. My theme, dialing display. There we go. First time I mess with this phone. Okay. And what shortcuts, caller information, slide settings, application settings. Here we go. Fake call. I don't know what that's about, but I guess you guys will tell me later. Security. Network settings. We have automatic. We have manual. Connection setting. Okay, setup wizard. We've seen that. Memory settings. We have clear phone memory, format memory, memory status, and default memory, and reset settings. Okay, seems pretty cool. So this is the Samsung C3053, and you can get it at SuperRey's Exotics. You can reach us at www.superreys.com. Okay, and very simple phone, but pretty cool. I'm sure it'll get its job done, and very economic, so you shouldn't have a problem there. Thank you and have a great day.